Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear credentials from this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the security section, then go to the system security, then credential storage, and select the last option, remove all user certificates, which is basically like clear credential storage, and confirm it. And after that, credential storage will be erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.